Count them.
You count me.
You count them. Start with 1.
1. You help me when I want it. 4.
1.
5. 6. Aaron has 20.
He does.
7. 7. That was too late, Mommy.
Yeah.
There was 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Aaron, how many do you have?
1, 2, 3,
Let him
4,
do it.
5, 6.
Let him do it.
He has 6.
He does. Can you count them, Aaron?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's mine.
Uh-oh. Now he's got 6.
No, that's mine.